Morning, guys. We already have a fire going, but welcome to Carter and Isaac's kitchen. Today, we are cooking some burritos made by yours truly and Isaac Lindholm.
That's me.
We're gonna let these sit for, I have no idea how long. Hopefully, they're just as good as when we first made them. Burrito time.
All right, guys, you may be thinking, Isaac, you're out camping. Where did you get these burritos from? There's no Taco Bell, no Taco John. These bad bears were cooked right there, right there.
But now it's time to taste test our lovely
Get that golden brown, get that golden brown.
Oh, yep,
golden
yep,
brown,
yep,
yes.
yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good. You can definitely taste the layers.
All right, boys. Me and Isaac, we're hiking down to Lake Superior. There's a little creek down here, river, creek, I don't know. But we're gonna try to, mouth of a river. We're gonna try to do some fishing. I don't know what we're gonna catch. We're just gonna start chucking some lures and hopefully we can catch some fish down here.
There we go.
I don't know exactly where we're gonna try to get to. We got probably the longest staircase ever, and hopefully we can catch some fish at the bottom. Oh, this will be fun to go up. That's what we have to go up.
Quick.
All right, y'all. We're gonna try doing some fishing at the waterfall today. We're using a little beetle spin. It's a like kind of like a pink, shiny one, and hopefully maybe we can catch something. We've been going on these trails for like an hour and a half now, and just kind of trying to find a spot that would somewhat work. And this is probably the best spot we got because we got the waterfall falling down over there, and then the water kind of just circles this area. But we're kind of just casting in the middle here. Dude, I totally have stuff biting, not like biting me, but like, so maybe I'll have like a trout or something. Ooh, there are little fish. Isaac, I'm being attacked. All right, so I'm over here. Isaac's over there. Over there. I think I'm gonna try to join them. We gotta walk through there. It's very deep right there, so wish me luck. It's cold. Yep, it's cold. It's cold. All right, boys. Everybody hold your breath. Oh, we're good, we're good, we're good. We're coming up. We're coming back up. I'm gonna be honest, Isaac, I don't know if there's any fish over here. All right, so I think me and Isaac, we're gonna try taking all our stuff and walking over there, and we're gonna try fishing all the way up where that gets calm water up there. I have a feeling there's gonna be zero fish here.
Yep. That's actually, it's not moving at all over there. Really.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think we risked the shoes.
Yeah, that's really good for us. Should we do it?
I think we should. All right, operation, get to the other side, let's go. Yes, sir. Not yet. Oh, it's not that deep right here. We're still. Yep, same. Oh, Isaac, we're chilling right here. I don't know if this is the best route. Let's go. No, it's like deep there. Right there, it's like, it is cooking right here. Let's walk down a little bit. It kind of, because it's all coming around that rock. So I think if we go this way, shallower up in the foot. Easy. Welcome to the other side of the river. Plan is to do a little bit more fishing and then maybe do some exploring. This is the dream right here, fishing in this area. Catching fish? No, but we're fishing. Fishing isn't just catching fish, it's about the experience of fishing and the nature around you.
Alright guys, we made it back. Not really successful fishing, but we're now eating lunch. Got a lot of cheese, can't see. We got some ham, pretty good. We have a few of them there. Got a little squish. But we're munching, and we like it.
All right, me and Isaac,
Yes, sir.
we're back in the woods, back on the trails, and now the plan is basically to walk to the lakes and do some bass fishing. So hopefully we can find a spot on the lake where we can actually get to it and fish, because I would like to catch some fish, because that'd be fun.
Got a couple of miles ago. Got a little steep trail. We took this the first night. She's not that bad. So, let's get it.
We'll see you guys when we get there. I'd like to point out, guys, that me and Isaac are getting eaten alive back here.
Dude, that is nuts.
Dude, this drop off is actually crazy. What? We think we're close. We hope we're close because we just went up like a straight hill. So maybe the lake's on the other side. But there's only one way to figure out. All right, boys. We're on the home stretch. That's where we are. That's where the lake is. But we're almost there. We're almost to the lake. It's right. It's in that direction.
Fishing any minute now. Any minute.
All right, guys. Me and Isaac, we're back. We actually gave up about 3 miles into it, and then we realized that we probably weren't gonna be able to even get to the lake to even get to any fishing spots. So we're back at camp. Hopefully, we might be doing some swimming here soon. Today's meal agenda is we're making pizza sandwich things. Oh yeah, and our friend is back over there. We're thinking it's cheese. It could be Kobe, but Kobe's more
Skitterish.
Yeah, exactly. He's skitterish. But anyways, I'll either see you when we're swimming or I'll see you when we're making food. Isaac, you got anything to say?
A little disappointed about the fishing. Not being able to fish, but you know, Sigmas make their way. Now we'll crack open this bad bear. Crystal Farms, shout out, sponsor us. You might think, oh, that's a lot of cheese. Cheese. Well, guys, we got dinner.
Welcome back to Isaac and Carter's kitchen. Today we have these like pizza sandwich things, and I think they're gonna be absolutely delicious.
Cheers.
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 A little soggy in the middle.
A little smoky, but I like it.
And we're gonna devour these things and then devour the potatoes as well. So we'll see you guys when we go swimming, I guess. Absolute most perfect rock for skipping right here. Here we go. Ready? This is gonna be insane. I messed that up.
Carter, that was so bad.
Welcome to the beach.
We have a very healthy
Once again, very healthy.
dessert.
Yes.
Now, if we take a peek at Carter's sandwich here,
The sandwich has some goodies on the inside.
and we call that cookie dough.
Taste test of the very healthy sandwiches.
Cheers. Very good, dog. We're button.
You got it. Isaac.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all.
Last
Last night in the tent. We slept great yesterday. Hopefully we sleep good tonight. But we will see you guys in the morning. So, good night. Ready? Ready for this transition? Boom.
Hi, guys.
Good morning.
It's the final day.
It
We
is the
got
final
fire.